The legendary 1964 F-850 Crew Cab, a rare heavy-duty classic. Introduction. The 1964 F-850 Crew Cab is a rare and powerful example of Ford's commitment to building heavy-duty trucks. While the F-Series is widely known for its light and medium-duty models, the F-850 sits at the higher end of the spectrum, designed for industrial and commercial use. What makes this truck even more special is the crew cab configuration, which was uncommon at the time. In this article, we will explore the history, design, specifications, and legacy of this classic truck. History of the Ford F-850 series. The Ford F-Series began in 1948 as a line of trucks meant to serve a wide range of industries. By the time the third generation, 1957-1960, was introduced, Ford had already established itself as a dominant player in the truck market. The F-850 was part of the Super Duty lineup, a category of trucks that were built for extreme workloads, including construction, logging, and transportation. During the late 1950s and early 1960s, heavy-duty trucks were mainly designed for single-row cabs, as they were primarily used for industrial purposes. Crew cabs were rare and typically custom-ordered for specialized applications like fire departments, utility companies, or large construction teams. That makes the 1964 F-850 Crew Cab an incredibly unique model, as very few were built. Exterior design and features. The 1964 F-850 followed the styling trends of the third-generation F-Series, which featured a more squared-off design compared to the previous generation. The front grille was bold and wide, with horizontal chrome bars, giving the truck a commanding presence. The headlights were integrated into the grille, a signature design cue of Ford trucks from this era. Key exterior features: heavy-duty frame A built for industrial use. The F-850 featured a reinforced frame that could handle significant weight and stress. Crew cab configuration. This rare version had an extended cab with 4 doors, allowing more passengers or workers to ride in comfort. Large cargo and hauling capacity. The F-850 was designed to handle extreme loads, with various bed and chassis configurations available. Dual rear wheels. Many models came with a dual rear wheel, dually, set up for added stability and weight distribution. Functional design. Unlike consumer-focused trucks, the F-850 emphasized utility with large mirrors, heavy-duty bumpers, and optional towing equipment. Interior and comfort. Despite being a heavy-duty truck, the interior of the 1964 F-850 Crew Cab was surprisingly spacious and comfortable for its time. The crew cab design meant that this truck could carry more passengers than a standard single-row truck, making it useful for work crews. Interior features. Bench seating. The truck typically featured 2 bench seats, accommodating up to 6 passengers. Durable materials. The seats and dashboard were made with rugged materials designed to withstand heavy use. Basic instrumentation. The dashboard had a no-nonsense layout with essential gauges for speed, fuel, and engine temperature. Minimalist design. Unlike modern trucks, the F-850 focused on functionality over luxury, with simple door panels, manual windows, and steel surfaces. Optional heating system. Some models were equipped with a heating system to provide comfort in colder climates. Engine and performance. As part of the Super Duty lineup, the 1964 F-850 Crew Cab came with powerful engine options designed to handle heavy loads and challenging terrains. These engines were built for durability and longevity, often being used in commercial and industrial settings. Engine options. Ford Super Duty V8. The F-850 was available with large displacement V8 engines, providing ample torque for hauling and towing. Gasoline and diesel options. Buyers could choose between gasoline-powered and diesel-powered engines depending on their needs. High torque output. The focus was on torque rather than high horsepower, allowing the truck to move heavy loads efficiently. Transmission options. Manual transmission. Most models featured a multi-speed manual transmission, which was standard for heavy-duty trucks of the era. Heavy-duty clutch. Designed to withstand frequent gear changes and high levels of torque. Towing and payload capacity. The F-850 was designed to handle extreme loads, making it a go-to truck for industries requiring heavy hauling capabilities. While exact specifications varied depending on the configuration, the truck had an impressive payload and towing capacity. Key capabilities: high payload rating. The truck could carry several tons of cargo, making it ideal for construction and transport companies. Powerful towing capacity. With the right setup, it could tow large trailers, machinery, or other heavy-duty equipment. Reinforced suspension. Heavy-duty leaf springs and shock absorbers ensured the truck could handle weight without compromising stability. Dual rear axle options. Some configurations featured a tandem rear axle for increased weight distribution. Rarity and collectability. The 1964 F-850 crew cab is an extremely rare find today. Since crew cab trucks were not widely produced during this era, only a handful of these heavy-duty models remain in existence. Many were used in demanding industries and eventually scrapped after years of hard labor. Why it's a collectible truck? Limited production numbers. The crew cab version of the F-850 was not a common factory option, making it a rare collector's piece. Historical significance. It represents an early example of a heavy-duty crew cab truck, paving the way for modern work trucks. Unique design. The combination of a massive chassis with a four-door cab makes it stand out among classic trucks. Restoration challenges. Finding original parts for restoration can be difficult, adding to its value for collectors. Restoration and maintenance. Restoring a 1964 F-850 crew cab can be a challenging but rewarding experience. Since these trucks were built for work rather than preservation, most surviving models require extensive restoration. Restoration considerations. Frame and bodywork. Due to heavy use, rust and structural damage are common issues that need addressing. Engine rebuilding. Many original engines require a complete overhaul to function properly. Finding original parts. Since this model is rare, sourcing authentic parts can be difficult and may require custom fabrication. Interior restoration. Upholstery and dashboard components may need to be replaced or reconditioned. Legacy of the Ford F-850 crew cab. The 1964 F-850 crew cab is a testament to Ford's ability to produce durable and versatile trucks. While it may not be as well known as the F-100 or F-250, it played a crucial role in the development of heavy-duty trucks. Today, its legacy lives on in modern Super Duty trucks, which continue to serve industries worldwide. Influence on modern trucks. Early example of crew cabs. The F-850 crew cab helped pave the way for modern four-door work trucks. Super Duty lineage. The heavy-duty engineering principles,